Assalamu alaikum, LTIT here, your career coach from Bangladesh, and welcome to Leans Tech on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon for notification of our next one, because we are dedicated to making more videos on career support. Today, we are going to show you a great solution for downloading and installing Visual Studio 2022 Community. Before installing Visual Studio 2022, download the Visual Studio 2022 installer from the Visual Studio 2022 download page. This is the link for downloading the software. The link is given in the video description. Or, let's go to your internet browser and search in Visual Studio 2022 download. Now click here. You see, here, it's download option for downloading VS Community 2022. Click here now for starting download VS Community 2022. Click on the Save button for saving the Visual Studio setup.exe in your desired location. Very good. Our download has been completed successfully. Now, right-click on this one, and then select Run as Administrator. Here you see, it's a VS installer. Now, click on the Continue button for starting your installation. It's VS workload area. Now, you can select some components for your area of development from here. If you want to develop a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you have to select now ASP.NET and Web Development. And then we come to the optional part here. We have to select .NET Framework Project and item templates for enabling .NET Framework Project's related features, and select additional templates for enabling any previous additional project template versions. If you want to install the software while downloading, then select Install while downloading. And then click on the Install button for starting our installation. Ignore it, and continue your installation with press on Continue button. If you want to ensure that check on Start after installation for launching our software automatically after installation. It will take some time. So, I am going to pause the video. Come back now. Well done. Our installation has been completed successfully. Choose your color theme and then click on the Start Visual Studio button. And then click on the Continue without code option. Now click on the file from the menu, then Open. Then click on Website. And then click on Local IIS, then click on IIS Express Sites. Now click here to create new site. Rename it with LT_it. And then click on the Open button. Click on the Continue button to update the target to .NET Framework. Now right-click on our project named LT_it, then Add, then click on Add New Item. And then select HTML page. Enter the name for your HTML page. Then click on Add button. This is our HTML page. Now code here. Click on Default HTML. Right-click on our default HTML. It's an option for view in browser. If you want to change your browser, you can do it from here. Now set this page as a start page by clicking the Set as Start Page option. Right-click on our default HTML, and then click on Browse with. Now select Google Chrome, then click on Set as Default, and then click Browse. Or, click the In Default HTML page, and then press Ctrl plus F5. If it is helpful for you, please share it with your friends. That's it for now. Thank you so much. To lead a happy, healthy, and successful life.